Hello everyone, today I have brought another wonderful tutorial related to Adobe Illustrator, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can recolor our artwork, because in some scenarios you may have come across that the client has asked for recolor the artwork. Like for example, if we have a multicolor graphics, the client may ask for changing into blue color, red color or green color, and you may find it very difficult or time consuming to get this done. The conventional way of recoloring the artwork is that you first of all regroup your all items, and then you take each and every item individually and then just keep on changing the colors like that, just for an example. So it is doable, but it will take a great amount of time to get this done, and sometimes you may not get the desired output. So in this tutorial we will find a short way of doing it and yet effective as well. So let's undo this. Okay, so we have this graphics, and let's suppose we want to change the color of this graphics to this color, right? Let's take a bit darker shade. So the client has asked to change the color of the entire graphic into blue color. So what we have done, we have just created a square in blue color of the desired color, and then group the entire graphic. Go to edit colors and click on the recolor artwork. Okay, here you will find an option of color theme picker. Just click on that and simply click on the blue color. So you will see that the entire graphics have been transformed into blue color with different shades and with different shadows you can see as well. So that is the most effective method of recoloring the artwork of your desired color. Okay, in some scenarios what happens that the client may ask for multiple color graphics. Like the client may ask for these two colors. Okay, let's undo that, and we have to change the color of entire graphic into two colors, right? So what we are going to do, again group the objects, again group the squares as well. This is a very important step. You have to group the both squares because we are going to apply the combination of two colors on the graphic. So select the graphic, once again go to edit colors, recolor artwork, and the procedure will remain same. Just grab the color theme picker and click on here. So here you can see that now your graphic have been transformed into multiple colors, and the two colors that are your desired colors, and it looks very professional. I believe you cannot get these professional results when you do it manually. Okay, let's try with the three colors now. This is the third shade. Okay, what we need to do, just make sure that we have grouped all the three squares now. Okay, once again same procedure, go to edit colors, recolor artwork, and now you have to click on three squares. So now you can see how professionally and efficiently it has transformed the entire graphic into three colors combination, and to be honest the results are very much great. Okay, one tip that I want to share, that in some scenarios you do not want to change the color of the skins. You want to change the color of the clothes, of the objects and everything, but you do not want to change the color of the skin of the individual that are present in the graphic. So what we need to do for that purpose, just simply ungroup your object by pressing Ctrl+Shift+G. okay, and grab the magic wand tool from here, click anywhere on the skin color. So when you click on it, what it has done, it has selected all the objects that are the skin of the individual, but it has also made the selection on the objects that are of similar color. So what we need to do, grab the selection tool and just ungroup those objects that are not required and simply remove them. Okay, just for an example you can do the selection manually. Okay, so now what you have done, you have to lock this object. So object and lock selection. Okay, now all the objects that are of a skin of the individual have been locked. Now let's change the color of the objects. So make selection. Okay, go to edit colors, recolor artwork, and simply select this. So you can clearly see that it has maintained the color of the skin while it has changed the other objects in the graphic.